my creative channel to watch more interesting videos on machine learning using Python. I have think lot that why not video on this topic, why not video on this topic, why not video on that topic. I think I have wasted 4 to 5 days. So what should be the video, what should be the next video, what should be the next video, and finally I came up with sentiment analysis. So today's video is really interesting and creative about sentiment analysis using Stimulite. We have seen one video on sentiment analysis using Stimulite, two to three videos using sentiment analysis, but this one is enhancement of that previous video. So I have done sentiment analysis using emoji, and I have done sentiment analysis with text. So today's video is enhancement of the previous video of sentiment analysis using text. So let us go through the program code. This is all about program code. These are sentiment analysis, anger, disgust, fear, in this thing. Emojis, sorry. Now I will execute the program. Yes, a nice screen is displayed in front of you. Emotion classifier. Type the text here. I am happy that my followers are increasing. So let's see what happens. Yes, joy is coming, sadness is little bit there, and joy is there, and surprise is also there. So I am happy that I became popular on YouTube. Sorry. Let's see what happens. Now the joy is coming really high. Yes. Now I am really sad that I am facing technical issues. Now sadness is, disgusting is also coming. Fine. You can see here sadness is there. Now I shame on you. That I told you not to drink coffee before lunch. Yes, sadness is working fine. Now angry, I am really angry that power failure in our area is more it is really disgusting power failure. I have fear. Okay, fear is coming. Really disgusting. Fear. Okay, disgusting is not coming. Surprise. I am really surprised that all my friends are watching my videos regularly. Yes, surprise is coming. So we have done some nice word. Now we'll go to another part. Monitor page matrix. Okay, home. Yes, home. This about and this graph is changing. Home monitor. You might yes, you can observe this. So this is different types of graphs are there. You can check it out. Okay, fine. Okay, fine. Now we'll see another part. Emotion classifier. These are the word which I told you. So anger is little bit, fear is little bit, joy is there, sadness is more. Okay, neutral is little bit, surprise is there. So these are the words and this thing. So we can download also graph and so I successfully done with sentiment analysis of text using Streamlit in Python. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, share with your friends. I will be back with more and more creative videos on machine learning using Python with Keras, TensorFlow, CNN, sentiment analysis, fruits and vegetable classification, image recognition, face recognition, face detection, attendance system, registration login, face login, and many more videos. If possible, some Postman videos on Node.js, then Munstack, full stack if possible. So for latest interesting videos on machine learning, so keep watching my channel Sanjay Mahaz on youtube.com.